we have here are all the body pieces. They're obviously all done. Red, white, the decal stripes, all the decals are all there. It's a lot of work. I would not want to pay anyone to do this. One of two things would happen. We'd either go broke, or it would come out like shit. So I prefer to do it myself. While since the last installment, like April 4th. Quite a bit's done here. As you can see, motor's on, new chain and sprockets. Rear sprocket is a 45 tooth instead of the original 40 from Sprocket Specialists. Nice RX ring chain. And I did not use those Pirelli, the Pirelli rubber that I spoke about earlier. I ended up using, what the hell are they? Some Avons. These sizes are pretty hard to come by, and there's not many options out there. Other than that, new mirrors. Making progress here, not too bad. We are June 22nd, 2009. It's been a while since our last installment. The jugs are all done. They've received the legendary TSI porting. To get a copy of this sheet, you'll see it on twowheelmonster.com. That's from the original TSI. From Mr. whoever that is, from January 22nd, 1986. It's the before and after curves. Of course, there's many other TSIs, but this is just the porting. Here they are. Pick your porter wisely, because it is a very substantial job. Many, many grams of aluminum came out of these. Now to the reed cages. There it is, the famous TSI for the reeds. They start out 30 by 37 and a half, and they end up 39 by 39. That one's done. This one's not done. Quite a difference. It's highly recommended you top these off with TDR microtension reeds. You utilize a 15,000 spacer above the reed, below the block. That's that. Don't pay more than 80 bucks for the whole set. Maybe 85. Good luck. Here we are, June 23rd. Got all 4 pots on. Rebuilt power valves, the whole 9 yards. They're beautiful. Alright, here it is, folks. The most complex power valve setup on earth. YPVS, that is. There is servo motor. 2 cables. run down to a pulley assembly down there. There's another view of it right there. Got one rod that goes down, another one that goes up. Here it is in action, folks. Cool. 28th, 9:51 p.m. Made a lot of progress. You can see everything is totally together. I got those filters from RZ500. Just don't know if I'm crazy about them. They're exposed to nothing but warm air. Plenty of warm air, but warm air. Here are the Jim Lomas pipes. The fit needed a little bit of massaging. A little bracket right there. Need a couple holes drilled in it. But other than that, went on perfect, straight as arrows. In case you're wondering, our TV on the springs. It's an old speed secret. Keeps them from vibrating, therefore they don't break. Should run hopefully tomorrow. The rear pipe's on, fuel tank, coolant. See what happens. Here it is, folks. A very stripped down RZ500. Of course I have everything else, but I gotta hear this damn thing run. This is the actual first start. Knew everything. You name it, it's got it.